Hey guys, so welcome back to a new tutorial, and today we are talking about a problem on YouTube. Have you ever clicked on a YouTube video and got the message, this video is not available in your country? Don't worry, here's how to fix it. The easiest way is to use a VPN app. Just to go to your Google Play Store, and here you need to search VPN. Alright, the easiest method is that you need to use a VPN. Just download it from Google Play Store or App Store, then connect it to any other country, any other server, then you can watch that video. Okay, now just you need to do that connect the VPN to a different country like USA or UK, and then play the video again. Okay, your problem will be solved. If you don't want to use VPN, you can try proxy websites or browsers extensions that bypass region restrictions. Another quick trick, sometimes the same content is uploaded on other channels. So just copy the video title and search again. That's it. Now you can watch geo-blocked YouTube videos without any problem. I hope the short tutorial is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.